At nighttime and sometimes by day, bands swoop into our valley. They set up, present their magic, and then fly down the highway. With so many great acts playing on our stages every week, we can all use a songbird to sing the praises of inspiring performers coming to town. I am Zeno Songbird, and every Monday morning I will suggest a few live performances for Knoxville and surrounding areas. American roots music, world music, jam, rock, jazz, reggae. I am seeking performers who move me, mind, body, and spirit. Many of my recommendations will be for those talented but barely noticed performers who land in or nest in our own backyard. Independent and innovative musicians who tirelessly tour on skinny budgets. Artists with gigantic hearts and souls who play small venues in front of small crowds. Welcome to Channel Zeno Songbird. It's the week of February 9th, 2015, and we have two top tail feather selections for you. First, Anderson County's own Matt A. Foster. He's presently living in Austin, Texas, but he's under our city lights this week. Tuesday night at Barley's and Thursday at the Scruffy City Hall. Details are below in the comments section and again on the Zeno Songbird Facebook page.
Got 16 days, one for every time I've gone away, one for every time I should have stayed, should have wore my wedding ring. Got 16 days, 15 goes a nights, can't sleep when the bedsheet fights, it's way back to your side. Ghost has got me running, ghost has got me running, away from you, away from you, away. Ghost has got me running, ghost has got me running, away from you, away from you, away from you. Got 16 days, got a bottle.
He was 24, was fighting and he was so far from home. Back home there was no girl, not much in this old world to call his own. When I was 24, officially my war had come and gone. Yeah, I stayed at home, and each day a wilder seed I tried to sow.
Our next top tail feather pick flies in from Athens, Georgia. She's a vivid bird. Her name is Wren, and she's got eclectic influences, and it all comes together in a very unique, jazzy, raucous plumage. Enjoy Wren.
1, 2, 3. Hanging round my neck, and the only thing that keeps me hanging on. Don't you find it strange that both of us can love like we are? Oh, you kill me, what gives?
Those are the Zeno Songbird top tail feather picks for the week of February 9th, 2015. Please see the comments on this channel for the who, where, and when, and website information for our top tail feather picks. And go to the Zeno Songbird Facebook page for other live music opportunities this week. If you go out on the town, drive defensively, drink moderately. Even better, assign a designated driver. Have a great week and go out and hear some great music.